Hello and welcome back to my craft room. I've been waiting ages for my Scrawlr box to come, and my November Scrawlr box. It's the 7th of December. It's actually just arrived today, so I've just done an unboxing. I've just filmed unboxing that, but at the same time I got this through from Scrawlr box. Now this is the one of the new combo kits they're doing, so it's a combination of 3 different previous boxes and a sketchbook. At the moment there's a really good sale on, so I think I got this combo kit for £32, something like that, including the postage, and because I had some Scrawlr points to spend, I kind of pretty much halved that, so I got all of this for less than 20 quid, and I'm really excited. So let me show you what I've got. Now I've obviously had these boxes before. One of them I think I'm going to keep because sometimes you use up supplies, you know. If it's something you've really enjoyed using, you will use them up, and so I think that I will probably keep those to myself. All right, I opened this upside down. It should have been opened that way. Okay. Oh look, nice box. Let me lift this up a little bit. Here we go. So this is the Expressive Scrawlr Combo Kit. What a lovely idea for a gift for someone. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to keep part of this myself. I'm going to keep one as a giveaway to do in the new year sometime, maybe for my birthday, something like that, as in March. And then one I'm going to save as a gift for someone. I've got someone in mind. So in the Expressive kit we get the September 21 Scrawlr box. So this was the charcoal and graphite blocks, the Faber-Castell Pitt graphite matte pens. Oh yes, I remember all of this one. I loved this. And then the May 22 Scrawlr box, Go With The Flow. This was the peerless watercolour sheets. And the August 22 Scrawlr box, this was the Sennelier oil pastels, which set me off on such an adventure. I fell in love with these straight away, bought myself a couple more, and then blow me if I didn't win the Scrawlr Sennelier draw that they did in August, and I won 120, a set of 120 of them. So obviously I don't need this box. This is the one that I'm kind of thinking I'm going to do as a giveaway in the new year. I loved this, so let's have a look at the rest of these. This is the sketchbook, which I love. I think they do these as blanks. This must be because they do these blanks where you get there's a blank pencil case and a blank mug, and I think it's a blank sketchbook. I believe that's what this is. And you get like Posca markers to go with it. Have a look in the shop. What I'm going to do is I'll leave a link to a Scrawlr in the description box, because it's worth checking out. Their sale is brilliant. Some of the previous boxes are only a £5. I mean, you know, they're good. They're good value already. So to be down to a £5 is just amazing. And as a present, one of these combo ones, or even just one of the single boxes, is a lovely gift. The kind of gift that you know, my favourite kind of gift. I've lost my thread now. What was I talking about? Oh yes, and I'll also leave a link where you can get £3 off your first box if you want to subscribe to Scrawlr box. And then if you follow that link, if you buy through that link, then I get some Scrawlr points to spend as well, which is marvellous. They all add up, you know. So yeah, so here's the sketchbook. Let's see what this is like. Oh, and I'm afraid I'm going to be keeping this for myself. I love this. I haven't had a hardback sketchbook like this for a while. Years actually, so and I really quite like the idea of maybe using it to start doing daily drawing practice in, or something like that. Love that. And then I could use my Posca pens or other kinds of markers to pretty it up. I'll have a think about that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop filming a minute and just check if that sale is still on. So if it's on but only on for a few more days, I'll put this video up straight away, just in case somebody might see it in time to check out the sale. I'll just check and I will come back to you. I want to check exactly how much I paid for it. Okay, so it looks like these are still half price, these boxes. Let me show you a minute. So here's the I'll leave a link to Scrawlr box. If you just click on combo kits, you can see that most of them, except for, oh, it looks like the water one is sold out actually. So the Expressive one that I'm showing you, the alcohol one, the acrylic one, and the Illustrate and Starter Combo Kit are all still available, and they're £32 instead of £65. That is such a bargain, and would make an amazing present for anybody who wants to get into a beginner or experienced artist. What a lovely gift. So as well as those food boxes, you get that lovely sketchbook. I think that is just, yeah, wonderful value. So let's have a look inside. So it all comes in, so if you were giving it as a gift, this is quite a nice packaging. There's no invoice or anything in there, so that wouldn't be a problem. I like that there's a challenge with the combo kit as well. Liquid landscapes, combining the best of expressive mediums from previous Scrawlr boxes. Now I'm gonna open it all, so even if I give one of these as a gift, I won't use anything in there. I'll just tape it up again, but I just want to show you what's in there. So this is the September 2021 box. We have to open the tissue. Oh yeah, I loved this one. So here's the Scrawlr zine and the inspiration art. A toned pastel paper. Same pastel paper. Mixed media paper. I might just have to put a new sticker on that if I'm gifting it. Lovely. Blackjack Chew, one of my faves. Pretty sticker. This is one. This Artgraph Taylor's chalk. It's brilliant. When you start using it with water, you get this really dense opaque white. Blending stamp. This became my favourite. I've actually bought a couple more since. Became my favourite graphite pencil to use because it's matte graphite, game changer. And it was a 14B, which I'd never had one as soft as that before. So you've got a 6B and a 14B. And this was Faber-Castell Gold Faber. I think it's just a white pencil. Let's have a look. White colour pencil. Yeah. So you can imagine with that dark blue mixed media paper. Oh, these are just gonna, you can imagine. And then you've got, I've really enjoyed using these. So this is Derwent. These are all charcoal. We've got hard, medium and soft. Oh no, light, medium and dark charcoal, and hard, medium and soft graphite. So this, and in a way it reminds me of the November box that we've just got, in that you're using a black and white and different softnesses of medium and different thicknesses to get all kinds of different marks to create different tonal value and contrast in your work. So it kind of reminds me of that, but I feel like there's perhaps more in this one. Lovely. I'm going to struggle to give these away now. Wait. I'm not mean. I love giving art supplies to people. So that's just one. So you've got the lovely sketchbook, you've got that lovely, I don't really give them names as such, but it's basically all different kinds of black and white graphite, charcoal, white pencil, Taylor's chalk. Now this one, this was the August one from this year, so this was where we got the Sennelier pastels, which I fell in love with. And guess what, as part of my prize I got the original of this piece by the featured artist. Can't believe it. There we go. That's what we got with this one. We got a spearmint chew. We got these gorgeous Sennelier oil pastels with several sheets. How many was it? Several sheets of heavyweight oil pastel paper, which came in with those. And there was another paper pad as well. There's a pencil and an eraser, 5B pencil and an eraser, blending stump and a scratchy tool. It was lovely scratching into the layers of oil pastels with that. So that's that one. And then there was this drawing paper that we got as well. So you've got 10 sheets of smooth white drawing paper there. Any one of these boxes would be a lovely present for someone who enjoys art or wants to get into it. You would look super generous if you bought them this pack. And it's only 32 quid. I was in a shop today, well, I wasn't Christmas shopping because I don't really do Christmas shopping, but I was killing time waiting to meet my friends for lunch. And there was a little table with a notice on there saying, lovely gifts for under £30. Blimey, £17.99 for a canvas tote with a print on it. What? I looked inside to see if there was something in it. It was just the empty tote bag. It was a lovely design, that's what caught my eye, but good grief. This, 32 quid. I'm not in any way affiliated with scrawlrbox, by the way. I just think they're brilliant, and I just think this is such good value. If you've been thinking about, oh, the sweetie's gone funny. That's the trouble with having the older boxes, isn't it? It was only May, actually. Yeah, if you've been sort of thinking, oh, shall I try a scrawlrbox? One of these combo ones would be a really good way to see. Ask for it for Christmas. Ask for one of the combo kits for Christmas, and you'll have 3 to try. And if you like those 3, then you probably enjoy a subscription. But bearing in mind that normally one of these boxes would be £18.95 if you just do it monthly like I do. So we've got 190 GSM watercolour paper. It's got a nice little bit of texture to that. It's got the zine, beautiful featured artwork. I did really badly with the challenge on this one, I remember. And this is one of the ones that I'm thinking I might keep for myself because I did really love these peerless watercolours. And it's a shame about the sweetie. I might as well take the sweetie out now because that ain't going to get any better, is it? Ugh. I've just dropped there's a kneaded eraser which I've just dropped on the floor. It goes with that. But luckily this is the one that I'm thinking of keeping for myself, so I think that makes my mind up, doesn't it? Oh, I hate sticky things. Ever since I was a kid, apparently when I was a little kid, I used to cry if I got sticky things or sand stuck on my hands. And yet a lot of the time my hands are really dirty and messy with paint, but that's different. Here's the gorgeous peerless watercolour sheets. Maybe I'll try the challenge again. So of course you still get the challenge inside the individual boxes, plus you get this challenge to go with the whole combination kit. So you also got in there this, which became another one of my very favourites. So that Pitt matte graphite pencil is my favourite drawing pencil, and this is my favourite mechanical pencil because you can be holding it like this. You haven't got to stop and go like that to get new lead. You just click here and carry on, and it's also got this rubber that you just turn like that, and the eraser comes out and goes back in. I just love it. It's probably the nicest mechanical pencil I've ever used. Really enjoyed that. And a nice little unusual shaped, which someone told me was called a cat's tongue. It's almost like a pointy filbert. Okay, a sticker. The sweetie's now gone. So can you believe it? You get Sennelier oil pastels and board and pencil and blending stamp, rubber, paper. And there you've got the tailor's chalk that you can use with water. You've got the gorgeous graphite matte pencils and the charcoal and graphite blocks in there, and a white colour pencil, and you've got paper, that dark blue paper down there, and this gorgeous blank white sketchbook. I mean, 32 quid. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Wonderful bargain. I'm gonna leave a link to that, and I think I'll put this video up straight away because if you are watching it and then the sale's finished, it'd be disappointing, so I'll put it up straight away. So there's going to be 2 Scrawlr unboxings rapidly, one after the other, on my channel, but never mind, that's all right. And then the December one will be here in a couple of weeks, hopefully. Okay, thanks very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again really soon. Really, really, really soon. Bye.